Welcome to our guide on changing your Australian passport photo. A suitable passport photo is crucial for smooth travels and ensuring your identity is recognized internationally. Let's start with an overview of the current Australian passport photo guidelines. It's essential to follow these to avoid delays in processing your passport. Now, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to take a compliant passport photo. Follow along for a successful shot. Be aware of common mistakes to avoid. For instance, avoid shadows, improper angles, or expressive facial features that can lead to rejection. Choosing the right background is key. A plain white or light gray background is recommended to ensure focus on your face. Good lighting is essential. Natural light is great, but if indoors, use soft, diffused lighting to eliminate harsh shadows on your face. When it comes to facial expressions and posture, keep it neutral. A slight smile is acceptable, but avoid any exaggerated expressions. Understanding the difference between digital submission and printed photos can save you time. Make sure you know the requirements for what you choose. If you're unsure about taking your own photo, consider visiting a professional service that specializes in passport photos. They'll ensure you meet all guidelines. In conclusion, remember to update your passport photo regularly and always check the latest guidelines to avoid any surprises. Happy travels!